Hi guys, good morning. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Live po tayo 12 a.m. in the morning. May i-share lang po ako sa inyo na product ng JC Premier. At ito po ay keypad. Live po tayo to Dubai. From Dubai. Time check is at 12 a.m. Ito po ang aming product. It is keypad. Ang keypad po namin ay may active ions and negative, may active oxygen, and negative ions. And mayroon po kaming keypad day, which is seal, keypad day. At mayroon din po kaming keypad with wings. At mayroon din po kaming panty liner. Ang keypad po namin ay mayroon po kaming extra vaginal health self-test card sa loob po ng aming pack. Ang keypad po is the first anti-dysmenorrhea napkin which has an iron capabilities, which I show you yung pinakita ko po sa inyo na health card. It's embedded negative ion with in every pod inside that can increase energy, enhance immunity, regulate lessen heavy periods, balance hormones and mood, and most especially kill bacteria causing odor. It has also 8 layers to prevent any leakage during our heavy menstrual period. This very thin pad, it has 8 layers inside. That's why this is comfortable and absorbent pad that I ever had used. Ito po ay refreshing kasi pag pumasok na po yung negative ion sa ating katawan, mararamdaman mo yung fresh, malamig, at comfortable. Hindi ka po maiirita. I recommend po ng product namin ito because I also use the product, and all the product of JC Premier po ay ito po yung masasabi kong pwede kong i-recommend. But yung aming other product din po ay magagandang klaseng product namin. For beauties, health product, like po mayroon kaming available also na barley juice and capsule and so on and so forth. Keypad, this keypad po ay it help reduce irritation and removes odors, as I've said. It also helps accelerate oxygen circulation in the private parts. It also helps release negative ions, which is active ions inside every fags, and can also absorb and hold liquids for 120 to 50 ml. So, kung ikaw po ay gumagamit ng regular pads, at gumagamit ka like every day during your period, mayroon ka makakapag-use ka ng 1, 2, or 3 pads every day. If you use po ng keypad namin, you can only use like 1 or 2, 1 the whole day and 1 in the night, because ito po yung product namin na absorbent talaga at saka wala siyang amoy. At hindi rin po siya wet kapag ginamit mo siya. Hindi siya wet kasi nga po yung 8 layers natin ng keypad inside ay very absorbent po talaga. So, hindi mo mapipil na irritated ka na kasi basa na yung private part mo, no? Ito pong product na to, kasi user po ako ng product na to. So, that's why sa lahat ng product, I would love to sell this product, this item, because I have proven myself already. So, yun lang po ang gusto kong i-share, kasi alam po natin na every woman are suffering for discomfort during the time that we have a menstruation, and pain and sakit po sa likod, sa puson. That pain can also reduce by these pads because of the active negative ions po na nakaloob, so embedded inside every pads that every pad na gagamitin nyo po. So, kung kayo po ay interesadong mag-try ng aming product, ilalagay ko lang po yung aking link, yung aking shop link, at saka email address, or you can message me po in messenger anything, or mayroon man po kayong katanungan at sasagutin po natin yan, and I will help you if you are willing din po na maging member or seller ng aming company in JC Premier. Ay welcome po kayo, at message nyo lang po ako, at I will let you know everything po ng katanungan nyo man, or question nyo, or a lot about details ng aming products and company. I hope po na makatulong ang video na ito for most of us as women, that we also have sharing is loving. So, sabi nga nila. So, isinishare ko lang po ito because user din po ako. I actually use another brands, and I also find it's a good quality. I have specific brands. It's a normal regular pads, but keypad is not that ordinary pad because of our negative ions inside, that embedded inside. So it's not ordinary, but is really helpful and can help us also release those irritations and discomfort. So kung tingin nyo po ay ang video po ay helpful para sa inyo, and it's gives you a good idea to help your health, my health, your health, and everybody there who's watching na gustong mabawasan yung pain or irritation during our menstruation period, because we know as women ay nararamdaman po natin lahat yun. Now, if you are willing to try and buy our product, just let me know in the comment, please, and check out my JC shop, or message me in the messenger for any question and comments. Thank you very much po, and have a good day to everyone.